Hey, Miss or Mrs. DeWitt, huh? Yes, you're talking about aliens and criminal and truck dealer, huh? Yes, huh? Look at that. Between Mexico and what you said, down to Venezuela, Panama Channel, huh? What is that? And you're talking about Caribbean, huh? Yes, look at that, huh? Tell us something, huh? About the things you care, huh? You do a shit, you don't care. You don't care really what's ongoing on our planet, huh? Yes. You go in church and pray, huh? We don't need that. We don't trust in God. You know? We trust in the environment. How the earth were created by themselves. Yes, our planet Earth is a daughter of the sun, and you don't find that in your Bible or any kind of religion you read.